Hi everyone, this is a video on how to manage your company roster. From MBA's home screen, you will go ahead and come over here to the sign in button. Once you've logged in, it will take you to your MBA dashboard. If you are the primary or secondary contact, you will have access to the Manage My Company view right here. You will select the Update Roster List. From here, you have the ability to add people to your roster. If you need to remove someone, you can select them over here and remove, and then select remove from company. Or if you just like to download your company roster, you can hit download right here and it will take you to your Excel spreadsheet that should download onto your computer. If you have any issues with this or any questions, please email membership@mba.org. Thanks so much.